If this is what you wanted and what you needed, universe of empty spaces, you have a place for hiding from all the lying. Let me light your darkest places. What if these are fine lines dividing space and time, tearing us apart tonight? Ooh, what if these are your stars fading in my eyes? You see a better way to start. You were my sunny skies, the water that kept me alive. I can forgive you twice, but you have betrayed me once too many times. You betrayed me, you betrayed me, you have betrayed me once too many times. You betrayed me, you betrayed me, you have betrayed me once too many times. Whisper through the darkness, seeking forgiveness. Maybe there's some empty pages. Another conversation, it's in desperation. Are we ready for changes? What if these are fine lines dividing space and time, tearing us apart tonight? What if these are your stars fading in my eyes? A better way to start. You were my sunny skies, the water that kept me alive. I can forgive you twice, but you have betrayed me once too many times. Yeah, you have betrayed me. If this is what you wanted and what you needed, universe of empty spaces, you were mine.